If you find yourself stuck in a split screen mode like this on your Android tablet, there's a few easy ways to go back to the normal app windows. In this view, you'll see a little blue handle on top of each app. You can tap that handle and then choose to either close the app or switch it to a full screen mode. And just like that, we're back to normal. I'll put my tablet to a split screen view again, and I can show you another way to close out apps that are stuck in a split screen mode. You can bring up the app switcher, and you'll see the two apps are bundled together. You can swipe up and those two apps will be closed. Then I can open one of them, and it'll open normally in a full screen mode. If you find yourself with a floating app like this that doesn't go away, the steps are basically the same. Tap the handle up top and you can either close the app or make it full screen. And that's how you exit split screen view on your Android tablet. Tap the like button if this helped, and subscribe for more guides like this.